So today I'm doing the Call of the Wild challenge. Basically what I have to do is make frog calls. And I mean, and this isn't like something like I'm in the middle of a swamp like going like, whoa. I actually do make frog calls for when I'm out in the field. So let's get started with the American bullfrog. The banded bullfrogs. The gray tree frog. The pobblebonk frog. The desert rain frog. Couch's spadefoot toad. The glandular frog. The Mexican burrowing toad. The southern toad. The spot-legged dart frog. The hourglass frog. The gray tree frog. That was bad.